Hey everyone, Oby here with Reliable Windows and Doors. Today we're visiting our #1 manufacturer in the world, ES Windows in Barranquilla, Colombia. And we're going to show you a behind the scenes of how they manufacture all our windows and doors. One of the things we love about ES Windows is the design and engineering behind every product. Each line is designed for high-end luxury residential and commercial applications, which is extremely important for hurricane impact rating zones and even non-impact applications. Our clients are always looking for strength, aesthetics, and smooth operation, and ES consistently delivers on all three of them. You can feel the difference when you operate these panels, the engineering behind it, and how we smoothly operate these panels, even as large as this one, which is amazing. Here's where part of the magic happens. ES uses advanced technology, highly trained technicians, and strict measures in order to deliver nothing but the best. Quality control is one of the main reasons why we partner with ES Windows. And as you can see here today, every single product gets fully inspected before it leaves the factory.
At Reliable Windows and Doors, we believe that great projects start with great manufacturing partners. The strength of what we deliver is directly tied to the quality, consistency, and integrity of the partners we choose to work with. ES has been one of our most trusted manufacturers, playing a huge role in helping us deliver premium window and door systems across some truly exceptional projects. What makes this partnership special goes beyond product. It is the relationship we've built and the mutual trust we place in one another. That trust allows us to operate with confidence, solve challenges efficiently, and consistently exceed our clients' expectations.
Thank you for being with us today. If you're looking for impact windows and doors, high performance, and nothing but the best, our team at Reliable Windows and ES would love to help. See you on the next one.